Hey guys, welcome to Arpitha's kitchen. Today I am showing how to prepare paneer butter masala restaurant style easily at home. It's a very delicious dish. Everyone will like that. So let's see how to prepare our paneer butter masala. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button next to the subscribe button, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's see how to prepare our gravy for today. To start the paneer gravy, I have boiled around 2 tomatoes. I have taken the ripened apple tomatoes, and I have taken around 1 onion, and I have added few red chilies, and I have cooked it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will become nice soft. For this I'll be adding some cashew and also some badam, and I'll grind this to a fine paste. So let's grind it to a fine paste. I have nicely blended all the tomato, onion, cashew and badam paste. You can see it's nice and creamy. So let's begin our next step. The paneer gravy, I have kept a kadai and I have kept it in a very low flame. For this I'll be adding butter. This is homemade butter. I had kept in fridge, so you can find it hard. So I like to use all homemade products in my dishes. The butter heat up for a minute or so. For this I'll be adding the jeera. I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of jeera. Let this fry for 1 to 2 seconds. Next we will add our garam masalas. I'm adding around 2 ilaichi, 2 cloves and 1 bay leaf or palav leaf. Our spices have fried for 1 minute. For this now we will add around half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this for 1 minute. It's now 1 minute. Our ginger garlic paste is nicely fried in butter. Now we will add all our dry ingredients. First I'll be adding haldi around half tablespoon, red chili powder around half tablespoon, coriander powder around half tablespoon, jeera powder around 1/4 tablespoon. So let's mix all the dry ingredients and fry it for 1 minute so that now my dry ingredients has fried for 1 minute. Now I'll be adding the grinded mixture of tomato and onion to this. And mix it very well. The tomatoes and onion mixture is already boiled for 15 minutes. Now it should combine with our spices what we have added, and it should release the oil. Let this cook for 1 minute. Now my gravy has come to boil. We will add salt to taste, a little bit of sugar. We will give it a good mix. At this stage we will add around half cup of milk. So I am adding around half cup of milk. This is totally optional. If you want, you can add water as well. I want this gravy to be very creamy and rich, so I have added the milk. Give it a good stir. To this we will add our paneer cubes. Now we will close the lid and cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. Gravy is cooked for 1 minute. We will open and see. It's nicely cooked. We'll give it a good stir. At this stage you can add water according to your consistency. So I feel it's very thick and we need to add a little bit of water, or half cup of water I'll be adding. We will add around half tablespoon of garam masala at last, and some kasuri methi for the flavor. Give it a good mix. We'll close the lid and cook just for a minute, and our restaurant style paneer butter masala will be ready to serve. 1 minute. You can see our gravy is nice and ready. It has left the oil. It has nicely cooked and thick. Lastly, we will add some more butter on the top, and our paneer butter masala is ready to serve. So our restaurant style paneer butter masala is ready to serve. You can add some more cream on the top and serve it very hot.